Hey, so does eBay integrate with QuickBooks Online? Well, the answer is yes, and there's a really cool connector app that can help you connect eBay to QuickBooks Online. It's called Link My Books. It's going to be linked down in the description for you with a free trial link, a special onboarding, and a special coupon code to help you save money on Link My Books, and tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of Link My Books. Now, Link My Books can help you with eBay integration, so sync eBay payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down every sale, refund, fee, and tax with precision. So basically, Link My Books is accounting and bookkeeping software. And as you can see here, accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So again, gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Free trial link is in the description, free onboarding, best discount. For other integrations except eBay, you also have Shopify integration, Amazon, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Etsy, Square, and WooCommerce. Again, with the power of Link My Books, you can connect all those marketplaces to QuickBooks or to Xero even. Now, another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also it can be used by accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, down in the description of this video, you're going to find a link to this video tutorial with myself. Great to meet you, Bova Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. It's a 30-minute tutorial that will show you how to use this platform, how to use this tool, and how to make the most out of it. And the other thing, as I mentioned, that Link My Books can be used by accountants and bookkeepers that are managing e-commerce clients. So another video is in the description for you with myself, again, Vova Evan, Amazon seller. Great to meet you again. And Daniel Little, co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, in this 41-minute tutorial, we show you how bookkeepers and accountants can boost their productivity and how they can grow their business, hopefully save time, save money, have error-less kind of business with the power of Link My Books. And in this 41-minute video, we show you how it all works for accountants and bookkeepers if you want to use Link My Books. So again, if you are looking for eBay to QuickBooks kind of integration, then Link My Books can be a great choice for you. Check out the free trial link down in the description with the free onboarding as well, best coupon code and discount to save money on Link My Books, and also the tutorial videos also in the description to help you make the most out of it if you're an e-commerce seller or if you're an accountant and bookkeeper. All the links are in the description. Thank you a lot for watching. Have a great day. Good luck to you today.